Hello and welcome to this very first tutorial looking at how you log into your GCMS school Google account. Before we start, welcome if you are a new starter for September. We hope you find this video useful. Google Classrooms is something we use hugely, so it's really important you know what you're doing. So anyway, we're going to assume today that we are using Google Chrome. If you're not using Google Chrome, if you're using a different web browser, you'll have to do things ever so slightly different. The first thing you will need to do is you will need to search for Google Classrooms in whatever search engine it is. Click on the Google Classrooms hit, and then the steps are pretty much the same as you are going to see here. It does tend to work best in Google Chrome, which is what we've got here. You'll notice up in the top right hand corner we've got what we call the waffle and the sign in. You can sign in using the sign in button if you wish, although I tend to use the waffle because when you are au fait and you use Google Classrooms a lot more, you'll be able to use the waffle and it is a little bit quicker. So I'm just going to click on the waffle at the top here and I'm going to click on account. Now the account I'm using today is a mocked up fake one. It's not a real one, so hopefully you'll have a little bit of a go. Now the first time you do this, it will ask you to create an account or to go to an account. You do not need to create an account. We've done that for you. Go to Google account is what you click, and then you'll be asked to type in your Google email. That will be your first name dot second name at gosscentral.co.uk. So I'm going to type in our fake one, ali.gator at gosscentral.co.uk. And you will be sent your information separately saying what your email and your password is. So I'm going to enter the password for alligator and then hit next, and it's asked me to change my password. You can change it to anything that you wish and confirm it. If you're not requested to change your password, do not panic. You can do that at a later date. Okay, so we can see that we are in. I'm on Alligator's homepage here. Now, navigating around what we call the Google Suite is really easy. You'll see up at the top we've got the waffle again, and when I click on the waffle it is slightly different. You can see I've got Drive, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet and Classroom. And as and when you come up to the middle school, you'll see Forms and Sites will be things that we will use an awful lot of. And Sites you will receive a tutorial about because you're going to do a little activity about that if you are a new starting year 5. I'm going to click on Google Classroom. Because Ali is already set up in a number of classes, you will see Alligator's Google Classrooms appear here. If you're a new year 5 starter, you'll only have one classroom, and that will be your new pastoral class. And you'll have a little button that will say join, and if you can click on that, you have successfully logged in. If you already have a Google account, what you will need to do is as follows. When you log into Google Chrome, you will obviously see a little letter or something like that of the Google account of the person that uses that computer. Don't worry, that's not a problem. All you will need to do is add another account. So I clicked on the larger icon, add another account, and then you just sign in exactly how I've shown you previously. Hope this helps. We look forward to seeing you very soon.